Okay, we've cut our head pieces out. I've sanded down the edges to get the burrs and stuff off of it from the cutting. And there's 7 pieces for the head. These 3 pieces are our center, which incorporates the nose and the upper lip. Then the next piece will go on. This will incorporate our neck into our piece. Let's get this lined up here so you guys can see. So we got our nose piece, our cheeks, and our neck piece, and then the outside pieces will go on. So that would be the 7 pieces for our head. So I've wiped it all down to get all the dust off of it so we can glue it together. And I always, since I'm always working on more than one at a time, I always have some kind of a code in here so I don't mix up my pieces. Let's start with these 2. So you want to make sure you just cover this with glue, spread it all out. Then what I'll do is let it set for a few hours and then I'll add another piece. I just start out with the 2 pieces, and I always start from the center and work my way out. But if you try to glue too many pieces on at once, then it really starts to slip and slide on you. So it's better to take your time, and once you get the 2 center pieces and you want to add one, let it set up for a while, a couple hours, and you can add another, and so on and so on. Once I get all the pieces glued together, then I'll let it set for a day or so just to make sure I got a really good bonding in there with it. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Set those aside. So what you want to do is push this on, get a good seat on it, and then you can start to clamp it. You don't want to make it too tight at first because it's going to slip and slide as you put your clamps on, so you want to take your time. Just make it snug. Until you get all your pieces lined up, and then you can tighten it down. And we're going to let that set up, and for a while then we'll go and add another piece. Thanks for watching.